Yep. Got him. There you go. Yeah, it took me forever to catch this guy. Oh. There you go. Yes sir, that fish took almost forever to catch. I'm actually over here at the Lower Kings River, but the area that I'm at, it's only a catch and release spot, and you can only use barbless hook with artificial lure. Majority of the time, when the fish come up here, it's all stock trout. So yeah, so I'm using a fake gummy egg or a fake salmon egg and a barbless hook right there. So the way you want to hook these is you want to hook them on just like that. You guys see that? Just like that. But you want the gummy egg to be right here where the line where you tie your knot at. You want it to land just like that. So when the fish comes and bite, they'll come and bite the egg, and when you set the hook, the hook will be hooked right outside of the mouth, and that will keep the fish from dying. You guys can see that right there. So as the fish comes and bite onto the salmon egg and you set the hook will be right outside of the mouth. Oh my gosh, I got another one. What are the chances? I got another one. Oh my gosh, it came off. That was crazy. That's right off the drop. Yes sir, and that's really all I'm using. A fake gummy egg. That's what it's called. Gummy egg. Right there. That's what you want to use. Oh my gosh. That was close. It came off. The thing sucks about these barbless hook is the way you hook that gummy egg is when they come and bite, most of the time it doesn't hook. It doesn't hook onto the fish, so you just gotta keep playing with them, unfortunately. There you go. There you go. Oh my gosh. That is fun. There you go. There you go. All from the artificial gummy egg. Oh. Oh man, nice beautiful trout. This one, if anything, it's like 2 ounce, 3 ounce. Pretty small fish. Yes sir, let's try that again. Yep, there you go. Oh my gosh, this is too easy, guys. It's almost every cast back to back, but it's just about that barbless hook. It's not really getting the fish. Another nice, beautiful trout. All you're doing is you're just casting out and let the current take it. So what you want to do is throw it out 90-degree or 45-degree angle and just let it flow. Once it hits a point where your line is dragging, you just want to reel it in and just do that over and over again. So just cast it out, let the water flow, and then reel it in. That's pretty much it. That's what I've been doing all this time. It works pretty well. It seems like all the bite is actually around here, so I think all the trout is actually facing this way right before the water falls down there. Just toss it out and just let the current take it. There you go. Another one. I'm telling you guys, they're all around this area right here. Almost every cast. Ooh, I think this one's a big one. I think this one's a big one, guys. Yeah, I think it's a big one. Yeah, it's all okay size. Ooh. Yep, this one's a big one. It's a pretty good size. Yeah, this one's a pretty good size. Check out this bad boy right here. This one is a fatty. Has some nice, beautiful color on her too. Nice and fat. Look at that beast. Ooh. Like I said before, on this spot, you have to use barbless hook, and you got to use artificial lure, and you can't keep any trout. I think the reason for that is because all the trout comes up here, and I think they spawn up here. So by doing that, by having barbless hook, you're going to keep the fish alive, and the fish will be spawning up here for next year. So it's really all it is. Look at that first cast, right off the drop. Right off the drop. I'm thinking there must be about over 50 fish in here, just on this little area. That's what I'm thinking right now, because it's almost every cast. Fishing for trout, you actually want to go pretty lightweight. You know, a pretty light split shot, small hook, and then 4-pound line. That's really all you want. With this fishing rod, I could actually go 2-pound line without worrying about the fish breaking the line. So, good deal. I can almost guarantee that I'm gonna get a bite right here, right off the drop. Damn, right there. They're literally right here on the shore. Dude, I think I caught another beast. Oh, let's on the shore now. They're biting on the shore. Dude, this one's a big one. I think this one's another big one. Ooh, yep. Yep, has some pretty nice color on him. Just let him go. Yeah, unfortunately I couldn't save that fish. I got him pretty good on the gill. For some reason it took my hook all the way to the throat. So there's no way that fish was gonna survive. So all day today, overall we've been here for maybe an hour and I've caught probably close to 10 fish. Really, to tell you guys the truth, I didn't think we were gonna catch anything today, but pretty good day today. Takes a lot of practice in order for you to not get snagged, because what you want to do is you just want to feel the sinker bouncing along the rocks on the bottom, and most of the time your bait will be flowing along with your sinker. It's either flowing along or flowing before, because your hook and your bait will be lighter, so most of the time it'll be floating in front of the sinker. But what you want to do is you just want to feel your sinker bounce along the bottom. And I'm gonna tell you guys the truth, you're gonna get snagged a few times until you figure out exactly how you want to do it. But once you figure it out, it's pretty easy. You will never get snagged once you figure out how the rocks are on the bottom. So
nice little one. Yep. Caught it at the current.
Yep.
Right where the drop off's at.
Oh, yep, there you go. That's really all it is. Drift fishing. Oh, yep, this one's a heavy one. Here you go. Got another good size. Man, these are some fatties. It'll be okay. There you go. There you go. We'll be okay. Oh, yep, I got one too. Yep, there you go. This one's a fatty, y'all. This one bit so soft I didn't even feel the tug. Damn. Ooh, yup. Look at the gill on this guy. Nice red gill. Look at that, nice red gill. It's another fatty. Oh, shoot. It's been a super good day today. I think I've caught at least 15 trout today. And we've been here for maybe an hour and 30 minutes, so it's been a super good day. Didn't expect to catch anything. If you guys are new to this channel, most of my video are gonna be based on striper fishing, but with this cold weather kicking in, I just thought maybe it'll be nice to show you guys a little trout fishing. So if you guys haven't yet, subscribe to this channel, or if you're not sure what my channel is gonna be about, make sure to click on my channel. Thank you.